Good Monday morning, investors. This is Stockmaster Talk here doing a stock chart video for GoldMedalPennyStocks.com on the ticker HALB. That's the Halberd Corporation. Our last trading day was Friday, July 19th. We saw a previous close of 0.016. We closed up last at the same price, only on a volume of 100,000 shares. I'd like to see that pick up today, as we do have a lot of very bullish indicators here that I think is going to draw a lot of investors, and we should see a volume increase on this, in my opinion. Our 14-day RSI is at 52.74, and our 5 days at 61.72. Both of these are in a very nice place, above the 50, below the 70. It's a kind of a sweet spot to be in, and they are kind of trending upwards, which is also bullish as well. I'm liking the way our RSI is looking. On our daily charts here, we do have a very strong support here on the 50-day moving average, as well as newly formed support on the 5-day moving average. A little bit further down than that, we do have our 10-day acting as support at 0.013. And volume has been picking up a little bit, or actually had died down a little bit after it had picked up. We did have a very strong middle of the week last week, followed by a pretty low lull for the rest of the week there. Parabolic SAR is underneath our candlesticks. That's also considered bullish. I do like how we do have the 200-day moving average up here at 0.03. That's quite a ways up. Won't be acting as resistance for a while here, but it could be a nice target price for the near future. Down here on our MACD line, we are seeing some bullish crossover take place here with our signal line, and we are headed up towards that zero. We do have our rising histograms, all of these considered bullish. A crossover of that zero line would be very bullish indeed. I am really liking our accumulation distribution chart here. It has been picking up for some time, and it just spiked up in the middle of last week. My line's being a little funny there. But I do like this uptrend here for our accumulation distributions, looking really good. Kind of fine-tune that a little bit. You can see it's just a very strong move up there. I'll get rid of that line now because it's acting funny. But anyway, moving on past that, on-balance volume is also looking pretty good as well. Checking money flow, loving this right here, how bullish we are. We are far above that zero line. That means we're trading in a very strong market here, and the trades are looking very nice. PPO, very bullish, crossover at signal line not too long ago, and we are headed up towards that zero. That's lots of very strong strong indicators there with our MACD line and the PPO here, both headed up towards their zero line. I like that a lot. We do have our ADX gaining strength and the positive DI still maintaining above the negative DI, letting us know that we are still technically in an uptrend here. ROC coming down to touch that zero line. Like to see that bounce off a little bit, as well as our CCI continuing to climb up towards that 90. It's at 89.26. Very bullish indeed. But the star of this chart, in my opinion, is our 15-day tricks here, where it's just about to cross over that signal line. That's an extremely bullish buy signal for a lot of investors, and I'd like to see that play out today with the rest of this stock chart. It's looking very good, very susceptible to some nice gains here. Depends on how much investors decide to take it, where they decide to take it, and how that decides to happen. So thank you very much for checking out this stock chart video. If you have any questions, comments, leave them in the comment section below. You can find me over on iHub. Just search Gold Medal Penny Stocks or my name, Stockmaster Talk, and you can hit me up over there. And as always, good luck in the markets and have a good week.